Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Before I start my online learning lesson, please click the subscribe button. And now, welcome to the world of multimedia and ICT, the driving forces of the 21st century. Have you ever wondered how technology shapes our daily lives? It from social media to online learning, from entertainment to business. Multimedia and ICT are everywhere. But what exactly are multimedia and ICT? Let's find out. Multimedia refers to the use of different content forms like text, image, audio, video, and animation to present information. It makes learning, communication, and entertainment more engaging and interactive. On the other hand, ICT or Information and Communication Technology covers all digital tools and systems that help us communicate, store, and process information efficiently. It includes computers, the internet, mobile devices, and even artificial intelligence. But why multimedia and ICT important in 21st century? Education has become more accessible with e-learning platforms. Businesses have grown through digital marketing and e-commerce. Even healthcare has improved with telemedicine and smart medical devices. In our daily lives, we connect with family and friends through social media, enjoying digital entertainment, and even use AI-powered apps to make life easier. Multimedia and ICT continue to transform the way we live, work, and communicate. As technology evolves, learning and adapting to these innovations will help us success in this digital age. So let's embrace the power of multimedia and ICT and be ready for the future. Thank you for joining me today.
Advancements in technologies bring new opportunities to overcome these challenges and gain efficiencies. The building industry alone is undergoing a major transformation.